5 weeks old. They have access to the outside. I leave the slider door open. They just had their lunch. I'm hoping they'll go outside, which they're starting to go. One doesn't push the other one out. I got the potty patch close to the door so they get the idea to go potty outside by a door. They're still interested in eating lunch. Oh, we're going to eat and go to sleep. Okay. Well, there's the white colored boy, but he has a black collar on now. He decided he wants to dig up something. Nobody wants to go outside, huh? Oh, somebody's got a toy. Who's that? Oh, he's going to go outside. Red collar boy seems to be the... Oh, is he going to take it outside? Nope. He's going to leave it there. Might have some action here pretty soon. Oh, watch out, that first step is stiff. Oh, it's purple colored boy. Oh. I may have to go out and pick up their toys because we're due to have more thunderstorms this afternoon. I don't want them to get wet. Oh, we're going outside. Maybe I can get some pictures with them playing outside. It's going to be hard, but I'll try. These guys are going to take a siesta. They said, the heck with it, we're going to sleep after eating. Blue collar boy isn't doing anything. Okay. I'll try to follow the other two guys. Oh, there they are running. You can see them through the window. If I go out there, they just come after my feet. Maybe I can get this to come in through the glass door. He's going to go underneath the planter. They have a nice big yard area. But they come in here. Oh, here are the two. Maybe I can open up the slider more and you can see them better. Okay, they're going to come up. Oh well. Oh. get your toy. Get your toy, guys, before the rain comes. Look at the toy. That's a good boy. Get the toy. Bring it in. Oh, good boy. Good boy. He got it. Now if you just keep it in there. They have their mother's temperament. They love the toys. But they're still developing. He's trying to toss it around. These two are sparring over here. Now we're going to get some water. That is known the puppy patch there. There's the potty patch. They use it most of the time. Doesn't look like they're going to do much. Okay, this is week 5, so they're just 5 weeks old. So next week I'll take another one. Maybe they'll be more active. Let's see what color. Can't tell who that is. Oh, this is the one with the toy. Was white collared boy, but he's got a black collar on now. But they all seem to love their toys. They all take times. These guys are just nestling inside the box there. They're getting ready to go. Oh, red collar boy's gonna go after the toy now. Yeah. No, we're not going to go out. At least they brought the toy back.